March 27, 2021. Anyway, I'm going to change my door handle. Got this nut right here loose. I'm going to try to get out of there without dropping it. Trick's getting it back in there. Okay, we got that one. It's a 2000 Astro van. It's a common door handle issue. I've already changed this one once. You can see it's modified. And that happens. I got another one though. It's a good tool right here to modify. Anyway, you need to cut your hole right here. Get this door handle out. Of course, it's going to refuse to come out. There she blows. This one's got a snap lock on it. Yeah, the trick's to get all that assembly back in there. Got that. in the dark here. I was lucky. Just leaves one more. Works for me. I gotta put the other bolt in it. One more bolt, or one more nut. It's tricky to start that one, but we'll get that one started and drill you a hole right here. There's a little dimple right there. Before you drill this hole, there's a dimple. Drill you out a hole. You can take this part of it out. You can pull your door panel if you want to. Once you've done it once, so there's no reason to pull the door panel the second time. Get you a cutter and work on the back of this insert here to get you some clearance there to put your socket on. It's tight. It is tight. 2000 Astro 4.3 driver door handle. It's not that big a deal, but if you don't know that you got to drill this part out, and it'll save you a whole lot of time, just take your piece of tape and put over that. Nobody will know it. This one's been done before. I did it. I've done this one too. You can see the tape. Where I cut a hole right there to get in there. Anyway, God bless from Okieville. Shade Tree Mechanics is out.